Mincing your own burgers. For that, your guests will really admire you. And the meat mincers by AlexanderSolia are giving you huge advantages. First advantage, I know what I'm throwing into the top and can certify the outcome down here. Second advantage, I can put a GN container beneath the mincer and don't have to put up with transferring the product before continuing to process it. I really like the smart control of the mincers, making overloading impossible. What's really cool is that I can just remove the mincer with 2 screws. When idling for half an hour, I just put the mincer in the fridge and assemble it again afterwards, allowing me to immediately make fresh patties again. I really like the exterior hub that doesn't even touch the worm, preventing contamination of the meat, and everything is flawlessly hygienic. The mixing machines by AlexanderSolia allow you to gently and homogeneously mix bowl contents from 5 up to 120 kilograms. For example, tzatziki, potato salad, coleslaw, kebab, or even minced meat. There are no limits to the imagination. Be creative.